Hello dear aspirants, this is Dr. Sourav Sir's class. Our contact number is 9836793076. Again, I am repeating our contact number, which is 9836793076. And our email ID is souravsirclasses@gmail.com. If you have any mathematical queries, doubts or anything, please feel free to contact us via this contact details. That means you can WhatsApp us or you can drop an email. You can drop an email to our email ID, so that will be beneficial for you. That means you can join our regular batches, our one-on-one sessions, one online classes, so that will be beneficial for your upcoming preparation of upcoming examinations like ISI CMI entrance tests, okay, or any other various examinations. So please feel free to contact us via these contact details. So now we are going to solve a problem which has appeared in the ISI MTech QROR MCQ section, and the question is telling us that let fxy equals to our ax square plus by square minus c, and for xy belongs to r square, where our a b c belongs to r, with bc greater than 0 and a not equals to 0. Let S be a set, that means xy belongs to r square, where our fxy is equals to 0. Okay, so the kernel of it. So now consider the map P, which is running from r square to r, defined by pxy equals to x. Okay, if ps equals to pxy, where our xy belongs to s, then which of the following can never be true? Option A is telling us that PS equals to R. Option B is telling us that PS is closed bounded interval, and PS is an option C is telling us that PS is an open bounded interval, and option D is telling us that for all Z belongs to PS, S minus Z also belongs to PS. Okay. So this is a very easy question, because only we have to think about the conditions of this. That means the basic set theory also. So our PS is a here's why. Our since fxy, let me let me write something. Okay, so since our fxy is equals to what, f of x comma y is equals to ax square plus by square minus c, that is equals to 0, we can rearrange the equation to get, sorry, ax square equals to c minus by square. So then what we will get, since our a is not equals to 0 and our bc is greater than 0, we know that a b have the same sign. So for this we can generate some cases. So our case 1 have to be what? Case 1 have to be a greater than 0 and b greater than 0. So in this case, our ax square has to be greater than 0, and our by square also has to be greater than equals to 0. So our c minus of the by square, so that is equals to greater than equals to, sorry, that will be less than equals to c. Okay, therefore our ax square is equals to c minus by square, so we can write that our 0 less than equals to ax square less than equals to c. So this implies what? So this implies 0 less than equals to x square c by a. So we can easily see that our x is bounded here. Our x is bounded. So now our second case, that means our a and b are less than 0. Then what will happen? Let me see it. So our a less than 0 and our a, sorry, a less than 0 and our b less than 0, as they both have the same sign. So in this case also our ax square, that is equal less than equals to 0, and our by square is less than equals to 0, and c minus by square is greater than equals to c, then what will happen after that? The same kind of operations will take place, because the same things are happening here. So c ax square less than equals to 0, so c by a less than equals to x square less than equals to 0. So again we can say that our x is bounded. So in both the cases our x is bounded, so ps cannot be all of r. So our option, as our r is the unbounded set, so our option a is cancelled here. Option a have to be cancelled. Okay. So now for my option, okay. So also our PS cannot be closed and bounded interval, because the map P is not closed because it's an open map. So however PS can be an open bounded interval, or all of R except for a bounded interval. So our option D, that means option D can be true if A equals to B and C is a square, in which case PS is symmetric around 0, because that, and that is not happening here. So our option A is true. Yeah, so our option A is true. That means our PS cannot be R. That cannot be whole R. Okay. So hope you understood, guys. Again, I am telling that if you have any mathematical query, any doubts or anything, please feel free to contact us via these contact details. So we can arrange doubt clearing sessions for you, or you can join our regular batches, our one-on-one sessions. So that will be beneficial for you. Okay. Again, I am telling that if you have any query, please feel free to contact us via these contact details. Thank you, guys. Hope you understood.